Hello, welcome back to Tree Hair Diaries. I am going to show you how to create this very simple hairstyle. It is basically braids going straight back and two braids with zigzag. So for the straight back ones, it's pretty straightforward. And an advice I always give is if you are worried about having your sections going straight, and you know if you want to avoid it not being equal, I would advise that you share the whole hair into two sections from the front to back in the middle, and each of those halves into halves. So you keep halving each half until it's going to reduce the possibility of you messing up. So instead of messing up the whole hair, you might mess up just half of the hair. And if you share the hair into 4 quarters, instead of messing up the whole hair or half of the hair, you end up messing up just 1/4 of the hair. If you share the hair into 8 sections, instead of messing up a large section of the hair, you might end up messing up just one section of the hair. So pre-sectioning the hair into smaller sections, especially into even numbers, is going to make it so much easier. So she started off making the straight back braids, and when she was done, she made the zigzag one. You're going to see how to make the zigzag, but it is so easy and yet it makes the hair extra interesting and fun. So to make that, don't have the section as small as this sections going to the back, because if you want the zigzag to be very coily and swaying like if you want it really bent and obvious, then make the section to be at least the portion of two of the braids. Okay, so you can see this section is bigger. If you make it bigger, it will be easier to make really curvy lines and the curves will be obvious. If you make it almost the size of the braids we have done previously, you will not have enough room to make the curves on the hair. So just make it bigger. We are going to demonstrate on the second half, on the zigzag portion of the second half. So you're going to see how to section the lines and how to braid it and how to add it into a straight line when you get to the back of the hair, because at some point you're not going to have enough room to continue zigzagging. You'll then have to finish up with a straight back braid, and just watch that part. You're going to see it after this one is completed. Remember to leave a thumbs up if you like anything about the video. You can leave a thumbs down if you don't. If you have any question don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and I promise you I do answer 90% of the questions on my channel. So thank you, enjoy, happy holidays.